Hello everyone. This is lecture 235 in which I would like to make you understand for the maximum in shear when UDL is greater than span. When the UDL is greater than span, what will be the maximum shear force and what will be the maximum negative shear force. So if it is greater than the span, then this will be whole span will be covered and the UDL will be like this, that is VA and VB will, the shear force diagram will be like this. So in this way the maximum shear or BA is plus WL by 2 and maximum shear force is minus WL by 2. This is clear. And in case 2, when UDL is shorter of span, then if let it will be of x distance, let it be x distance. So you can draw the 1 unit over here for BA and extend the UDL from top, from this end to up to which it exists. So this shaded diagram will give you the maximum BA. Similarly, you have to put the UDL at this point and extend up to x and get the minus negative point for BB. So this is tips to find out the maximum shear force or shear force for two different cases. This is all which I want to convey you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.